Ever wondered how to clean pennies without damaging them? Well, you're not alone. Cleaning pennies, particularly older or collectible ones, can be a tricky business, but with the right techniques and a gentle touch, you can restore their shine without causing any harm. So let's dive into a few methods that you can use at home. First up, we have the soapy water method. This is the simplest and most gentle way to clean your pennies. All you need to do is soak the pennies in warm soapy water for a few minutes. Then, gently scrub them with a soft toothbrush or cloth. Once you've done that, rinse them with clean water and dry them with a soft towel. Easy, right? Next, we have a vinegar and salt solution. Mix a teaspoon of salt into half a cup of white vinegar. Soak the pennies in this solution for a few minutes, then gently scrub them with a soft toothbrush or cloth. It's crucial to rinse the pennies thoroughly with water after this process to remove any vinegar and salt residue. If left on, it could cause further corrosion. Then we have the lemon juice and salt method. This is similar to the vinegar solution. Combine a teaspoon of salt with a small amount of lemon juice to create a gentle acidic solution. Soak the pennies in this solution for a few minutes, then gently scrub and rinse. For more stubborn tarnish, you might want to try a baking soda paste. Mix baking soda and water to form a paste, apply it to the pennies, and gently scrub with a soft toothbrush or cloth. Be cautious with this method, especially on older or more valuable coins, as it's slightly more abrasive. Lastly, we have the ketchup method. Yes, you heard right, ketchup. Due to its acidic properties, ketchup can help remove tarnish. Apply a small amount to the pennies, wait a few minutes, then gently scrub and rinse. After any cleaning method, ensure you rinse the pennies thoroughly with water to remove any residual cleaning solution. Then, gently pat them dry with a soft cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as these can damage the coins. And remember, if you're dealing with collectible coins, cleaning may reduce their value. Many professional collectors prefer coins with their original patina and view cleaning as damage. In summary, cleaning pennies doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right methods and a gentle touch, you can restore their shine without causing harm. Whether using soapy water, a vinegar and salt solution, lemon juice and salt, baking soda paste, or even ketchup, always remember to rinse thoroughly and dry gently. And of course, when it comes to valuable or collectible coins, proceed with caution. Happy cleaning.